And it's two quality players are on the Chira taking on BK. ഇന്നലത്തെ ആദ്യ ദിവസം first ball of the semi-final. Oh, the baby Malinga started in some sort of style. Shit, KB. That comes from the toe end of the bat. That's up in the air towards the D1 area. D1 declared. Oh, that's too much. A fuller one. And it's towards a commentary box. Shot from a shade towards Bharathividanu. 8 runs from 4 balls. Another shot towards the long off. This time just a single. Lovely ball into the block hole area. Just a single only. Yeah, single only. Nicely. Not connected nicely. Oh, that's a ചെറിയൊരു മിസ്ഫീൽഡിന്റെ full toss, bang! That's a fabulous loose ball. കാത്തിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു അദ്ദേഹം. 19. Flick with perfection. Nick and gone. So അവസാന ചിരി അത് മുജീബ് റഹ്മാന്റെ ചിരിയാണ്. 2 സിക്സറുകൾ നേടാൻ facing endൽ it's a Shijoy. Good ball. Very well ball. It's a left-handed bowler. It's a Asif. Asif comes in, but that's a mammoth hit from Ashid. This man pollutes school ground. Once again, moving across the line. Just a single. Into the block hole area. That's a powerful shot. Hang on. A shade. That's a great ball. Asif Abdullah. Run out chance and gone. Tandrashali towards the leg side. Again, spotting. Catches the call. I think that's been put down. Oh, that's lofted with perfection. BK ആർമിയുടെ തലവൻ നഷേ 46 എത്തിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു. 3 ഓവർ 2 പന്ത്. Well shot, well connection, but not up to the mark. That is D1 only. It's a chance to Sharon KP now. Good ball, very good ball. Ashid wants a strike. Strike-നായി ദാഹിച്ചു. 2 balls remaining, 47. Lovely ball, another run out. Yes, for UMC Chingchang. 49 വിജയ ലക്ഷ്യം. So it's a second innings of the semi-final. And first ball from Ashik to Shinit. 49 is the target. First ball of the chase. Oh, that's up in the air. Taken, and Ashik strikes in the first ball. This man is everywhere for Yellow Army. എവിടെ വേണമെങ്കിലും എപ്പോൾ വേണമെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് യൂസ്. Tight line. 1 for 1 from 2 balls. Oh, look at the pace on that delivery. Oh, boom, boom from Ashik. 4 balls, just 2 runs only. 4 balls. Play towards the leg side, just a single only. D1, 3 runs from 5 balls. Not connected it nicely. Such a good start for Team VK. 4 പന്തുകൾ ഗംഭീരമായി എറിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള അശ്വിതിന് നല്ല ഫോളോ അപ്പ് നൽകിക്കൊണ്ട് 2 പന്തുകൾ ഷാരോൺ പൂർത്തിയാക്കുന്നു. First over is completed. Just 4 runs. Now 18 balls, 45. Play 45 to chase down. Second over from Tejas. Tejas against Asif Abdullah. A good short ball. Coming back for 2. Good short ball. Very good ball from Tejas. That is wide. Not able to find the boundaries. That's been connected it, fielder takes a catch and Ashwin walks back. Just takes it. Lovely ball. Dot ball. Tight to Guyana. Oh, using the wrist at the level bus from Asif. Just a that's a shot. Brute force power from Asif Abdullah. Clean shot again, back-to-back sixes. Balls from Shavi. Full toss. coming back for 2. 7 balls 23. 7 പന്തിൽ 23. Edge. Now 22 in the 6 balls. ചിത്രം തെളിയുന്നു, കാര്യങ്ങൾ on strike. Beautifully balled by Rafi into the block wall area, and they are coming back for 2. Good running also. Coming back for 3. Oh, കുറച്ചുകൂടി ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിംഗ് ആയി നീങ്ങുവാൻ. Janaz with a beautiful shot, but oh, that's a misfield and 2 runs. ഇരിക്കുകയാണ് 4 പന്തിൽ 17. Oh, brilliant ball. That one is played. 3 balls 17. Full one missed out. Pressure. Rahul over here. 3 runs only given out. Short ball. That is given wide. 2 പന്ത് 15. Wow. Excellent. Last ball. That's it, and Team BK Army are into the grand finale. Captain, please. രണ്ട് ടീമിന്റെയും ക്യാപ്റ്റൻ ദയവായി ഫൈനൽ മത്സരത്തിന്റെ ടോസിനായി മൈക്ക് പോയിന്റിൽ എത്തിച്ചേരേണ്ടതാണ്. അവസാന മത്സരം, ഗ്രാൻഡ് ഫിനാലെ മത്സരത്തിന്റെ ടോസ്.